a video. We're going outside. We're going outside. Let's go. Can we go? Can we go?
Downstairs. Go get somebody's name. Go downstairs. Stop when you fall on
Sergio, relax. Are you going outside like that? Jesus, mother.
He's hot.
He's hot. He's hot. Shh, just keep going.
One full day.
Oh, y'all going out like that?
I'm not going out.
Y'all watch you guys
Jessica, are you coming out this time? You can come in whenever you want. What? Because we can. Can you shut up? You're gonna. Right? How if he's gonna fall? He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall.
To the other stair.
No other stair. Ah, this is what it's like to be out in a blizzard with Sergio dancing around.
Oh no!
Oh no, Sergio, no!
Going back in.
Do you have a card? Oh shit. Here comes a little gremlin. We don't want her here. Bitch, please leave. La 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 la, this is that.
Sergio,
Sergio, there's a lake! Sergio, there's a lake! Oh shit, it's like...
Let's go back. It's too cold.
Wait! My boot fell off! Shit! Holy... It's really cold out! Yaya will tell you the rest! There's a tree! Okay, this is what the ground should look like, right?
maybe.
We've got about... Like, that's like 1.5 feet of a drift right there. Where's he? Oh, shit. Backward